Hello. If you have the problem where your roof is getting stuck in this position, where the front bow has gone up, the back bow has gone up, but it will not move back because it is jammed, it can be a few things. The first issue it could possibly be is this part here. They are prone to snapping, shearing at the point where it joins onto the other linkage. The other problem it can be is this thing next to it, which is a bit difficult to show you, but it is here, this thing here, that is called the drag link. Now how the drag link works is, I'll show you on this drawing, there's a pin which runs in this drag link, and when the roof is being put into the chamber at the back, the recess, the pin goes into this drag link from around about this area, drops into here, and that keeps the roof tight, the back part of the roof tight, and allows it to go into the recess. Now what can happen is what's happened on mine is over time this outer part bends in and it doesn't allow the pin to go into this recess. There is a Nissan bulletin for repairing this, which I'll put a link on. It's fairly straightforward. Bolt, take it out, straighten it, or you can do it in situ, but I had it at Parkside, other problems. And that will cause your jam point. It can also actually cause the linkages to break, because obviously they jam on this point, it can't go anywhere, so they snap. So that's that part. The other problem which I've had speaking to somebody in America is, I don't know if I can actually show you, but the pin actually runs in this drag link, which you can't really see, but it's just at the back here. You can see it if you had a torch, actually shears off, and that is a bit of a major undertaking to deal with that. But that is one of the, well, that's the mechanical issue of why the roof won't fold back, or it will fold back, but this part here then hits on this lip because it can't fold tight enough to go into the back chamber. So check your drag links, make sure they're okay. It should be, let's say from here, there should be an equal slot all the way through, about 8mm. Don't open this too wide. If it's too wide, that pin also, when the roof is going in, closing, when you want the roof up, sorry, that pin goes around the outside, this drag link. And if that's too wide, then that'll hit that and you'll have all sorts of problems. So it needs to be 8mm gap all the way across.